Hello everyone, thanks for this opportunity. I am Sivasanthosh, I am the founder of Subtlebotic. At Subtlebotic, we are developing a wearable motor system for human body. The problem statement is motor loss and motor stability loss. Like old age, accident, Parkinson's and related this kind of neurological disorder cases don't having alternative solution in current market. So we are developing a real-time helping robots for solving this kind of problems for the day-by-day activities helping robot based under textile-based robotics too. The last 3 years I connecting the tworks members, they helping for that developing our product is like a product because the initial stage is like a prototype. The after product that like a product based on the regulatory, we will improve our product look and design, safety, kind of every area they having a machinery supports and members they are there. So developing prototype to product. HDFC Parivartan, in the program maybe I will helping further go to next level in the prototype like a market ready product. So I speak to the members in that panel. They asking question about the financial area. So we will working on that go to market and in the pilot orders and getting revenue kind of support they can giving that HDFC Parivartan program for the startups.